Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fruit lion's mane. First, understand that creating the right environment is key. These unique mushrooms thrive when their specific needs are met, leading to bountiful harvests. We'll cover everything from ideal humidity and temperature to proper substrate preparation, ensuring you get the best possible results from your efforts. Achieving the perfect environment is crucial. Aim for humidity levels between 85% and 95%, which you can manage with a humidifier or misting. Fresh air exchange is also vital. Ensure your fruiting chamber gets new air 4 to 8 times every day. Maintain a steady temperature range of 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit for healthy development. For your substrate, hardwood sawdust blocks are highly recommended, providing excellent nutrition for your lion's mane. After inoculation, allow the substrate to fully colonize, which usually takes 2 to 3 weeks at a comfortable room temperature. This complete colonization is essential before you introduce the block to fruiting conditions, ensuring robust mushroom development. Knowing when to harvest is key. Look for the mushroom's characteristic teeth to be about 1/4 to 1/2 inch long, indicating maturity. To harvest, gently twist and pull the entire mushroom from the block. With proper care, you can typically expect 2 to 3 flushes from a single substrate block, providing multiple harvests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.